Hey y'all, welcome back. So the '03 Heritage is kind of being put on hold for now. He wants to do it. He's just, with the rainy season, he's not financially ready. He hasn't been working enough. So I try and have a video up every 7 to 10 days. So the show must go on. So we're just gonna knock out my wife's Sportster bobber over here. It was done about a year ago, and it's got custom paint on it already. But she wants to redo it. You know, there's nothing wrong with the bike. It's a beautiful bike. Everybody loves it, but it's boring. You know, there's no wow factor to it. So we're gonna change it all the way up. I'm just gonna tear it down and start over. And yeah, hopefully about the time I finish this one, that Heritage will be ready to start. So currently the game plan is going to be all about the paint. This bike it's cool, it's clean, but it's very boring and very basic. You know, it's a one color bike, it's bobbed out. There's not a lot going on other than custom bars, custom wheels, custom color. And you know, stuff like that looks great on these big bikes, but there's a lot of color there. There's not a lot of color over here. And so the bike is cool and it's beautiful and people always love it, but it never stands out. It never gets enough of that wow factor, you know? So it's going to be all about the paint. These paint lines are what I came up with yesterday. Me and her were out here messing with it, and these are the lines I'm going to follow. On the side here, going to do the sun rays, that whole look. On the top here, going to do lace. May black out this center here, but it's going to be a big flake turquoise is going to be the main color. Same for the side here. And then back here where we got this line, talking about lace in the center. Seat needs to be replaced. The style is perfect, but you know, it's worn out. Didn't last very long. Yeah. Other than that, we got a great price on some used pipes on Marketplace. Gonna black those out. Everything's going black on this bike. There will be no more chrome or silver. And then got some new tires. Let's get started on the teardown.
gone.
Total night and day difference coming from this bike to that bike on a teardown. Man, it was so much easier. You know, the Sportster takes every bit of, I think I have real time about an hour and a half in tearing that thing apart. Like I did 30 or 45 minutes yesterday, and I did like 30 minutes today. You know, so that's it. It's done. It's torn apart. Time to start sanding everything and getting it painted. I took it that far down with the forks and all that because I'm going to paint the forks. I'm going to paint the triple tree. The headlight bucket is getting paint matched to the rest of the bike. There is a few small pieces like the oil cap, the foot pegs, the ignition, the coil cover. These were things that she wanted to leave chrome, but they're small pieces of chrome throughout the bike. Basically no more silver and absolute minimal chrome. It's all going to be black or turquoise big flake. So, yeah, I'm glad she wanted to change it up because, you know, it was a cool bike, but it was kind of boring. So it's going to be way better now. But more to come next week. Thank y'all for watching.